Hello everyone. I just want to make a quick update as I've recently purchased the HP Omen 15 with the Ryzen 4800H, and I decided to update the original DaVinci Resolve Render Test videos, which I essentially render a 2 gig 4K video, same video on all these different computers, and see the numbers. And here they are. This is a $899 open box laptop, and it's almost beating the desktop class i9-9900K. It's really astonishing, and not only that, while using all 8 cores, 16 threads, it never even broke 84 degrees. It ran super cool. All these other laptops on the list here, they pretty much ran in the 90s or high 90s while rendering 100%, especially if you're running a video that's obviously more than 2 minutes long or something much longer. So if you're just wondering what kind of bang for the buck this is, let alone it can obviously play all games and everything, but seriously, this processor is just wiping the floor. I mean, I don't know what else to say. It runs cool. It uses less battery. The results just speak for themselves. If you're picking up one of these new computers that are like $900 to $1,200, this is excellent. You really don't need more. I would not recommend getting one of the latest Intel chips unless you're literally just looking to spend $3,000 to $4,000 on a laptop. But if you're going to spend $1,000 to $1,500 with one of these AMD chips, you will be either beating those top Intel chips or in the exact same ballpark. So there's almost no point unless you're literally just have extra money on hand. So these are my 2 cents. This is my experience with this processor so far, and it's just decimated. That's all I can say. And it really is impressive how cool it runs when every single core is at 99%. I've actually never seen a laptop processor run this cool. It's truly it's astonishing. So yeah, I highly recommend it.